we get some. Won't you and we get
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it's that time of the year now, and we'll be putting up our Christmas tree, doing some decorations in and around the house, and I would love to take you along. Also, if you're new here, I would love to say a big hi. I generally do videos on sourdough recipes, home organization, motherhood, and other delicious food. And with all that said, let's turn up the Christmas spirits and get started. Being in the house most of the time this year, the first thing I did this Christmas season was to change our cushion covers in the living room. That itself lifted our spirits. I know it's been a hard year, but doing little things like this definitely brings joy and hope into our hearts. My little kids, who are almost 4 now, are so excited this year round about the whole concept of Christmas, and so is thrilled to put up the tree. As you can see, they are already helping their dad out. I hope they remember this as they get older.
Come on, put it. Let me.
Our tree has got its branches color coded, so it was a nice little activity for the kids to group them up, as you can see. We also made sure we had Christmas carols playing on the telly, as you can see. So all 4 of us got in the mood and sang along as we put up our tree. It's literally chaotic with 2 little ones helping out, but we are loving every bit of it, and thankfully no one got hurt and nothing broke. We got this lovely tree base from a local shop, The Range. I will try and link below all the decorations you see in this video. And just to let you know, nothing is sponsored, so do check the description box if you're interested.
Look like it. And I got this.
Yo, aye, sushi.
Daddy, you got the little.
Thank you.
It's strong.
Yeah.
Are you a Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Oh, she's a Christmas friend.
Oh, Joshi.
And there's a Christmas tree.
You want to decorate the Christmas tree?
Yeah. Look inside.
We totally made the mistake of giving the decorations to them just to see the excitement in their eyes, and sure enough, everything was on the floor in no time.
Oh, Christmas.
Somehow, after the madness, I finished the tree while the kids went to bed. Some of these ornaments are my favorite, like these wooden mushrooms, pine cones, and this little star. Also, here is when we got to see Santa as a family for the first time. As the days goes by, I will be adding a few more decorations, but as of now, let's move on to the hallway. I saw this cute little angel from Poundland and fell in love with it. I'm putting her here, so it's the first thing we see as we enter the house. My DIY stair basket is still going strong, you guys. If you would like to check that out, I will link it up above and also in the description box. So he goes right here, and I'm placing this little musical Christmas tree tin next to it. Now this really got me excited. We had some tinsel left over and I thought I should use it. Here I'm trying to do something I saw on Pinterest. The space under the stairs is always left bare, so I thought this is a good spot for some decoration like this one. How's that, guys? A mini tinsel Christmas tree. Last but not the least, we also put up this nativity scene and a star, as you can see. As our tradition goes, we only place baby Jesus in the scene on Christmas Eve at midnight, as we thank God for all the blessings and do a silent prayer. We will be doing that and much more this Christmas Eve. just to keep up our spirits during this difficult pandemic period. And I will be sure to vlog our Christmas day too. And finally, before going to bed, I'm writing up a few Christmas cards. After all, who doesn't like to get a little Christmas card through their door? I know I definitely do, and I really hope you do too. So spread a little love if you can this season. I think the world really needs it now. Hope you liked watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button for me and also subscribe for more.
Oh, bring us a picture pudding. Bring us a pudding. Oh, bring us a picture pudding. Oh, bring us a picture pudding. A cup of ginger.
We won't go until we
Get some. You won't you in till we get some. You won't you when we get
to bring some out here.
yeah.
Good tidings we bring.
To you and your